Guys, let's unlock my new Samsung S21 Plus. I'm so excited for this, man. And the delivery came perfectly. I don't know why they wrapped it like this. Maybe to protect it or something. Let's, there we go. There we go. Wow. Now we got another thin layer of plastic, which can, I believe, if we. Come on. What's going on? There we go. There we go. Ooh. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh my god. Okay, let me just put the phone aside for a second. Let's see what else comes in the box. So basically, oh, I tore this part. So the charger, wait, USB to USB C. That all they include in the box? Oh, feel this. There we go. Samsung S21 Plus. Oh my goodness. It's very lightweight though. And it's on, guys.